If your Roblox account got banned, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get it unbanned quickly. The first step is to go to the official Roblox support website. I'll leave the link to this site and other important ones in the description of this video. Once you're on the site, you'll see a form that you need to fill out completely. First, enter your username, your first name, and your email address. Next, choose the device you were using when you got banned. It could be a computer, iPad, or iPhone. In my case, I'll select computer, since that's where my account was banned. Under type of help category, select appeal a decision. Then, under help subcategory type, choose I was moderated for my behavior or the behavior of an alt account. In the description of issue box, you can paste a ready-made appeal message that I'll leave in the comment section of this video. But remember, that's a template and you need to change some things on it. The first blank is for your Roblox username. In my case, I'll enter QuickHow, which is my Roblox username. In the explain the situation section, you should politely describe what happened. For example, if your account was banned because of something you said in voice chat, you can write Roblox voice chat. In the third and final blank, describe the evidence. You should write the reasons why you believe your account should be unbanned, along with any evidence that supports your case. Remember, it's always better to write as little as possible and be very polite. This greatly increases your chances of success. After you finish filling everything out, just click continue and your unban request will be sent to Roblox. You'll receive a ticket number in your email and then you just need to wait 24 to 48 hours, which is the average time Roblox takes to review your case. You can also visit roblox.com/reportappeals where you can check your violations and any appeals you've already submitted. An appeal must be submitted within 30 days of the moderation action affecting your account. So after you get banned, try to submit your appeal as quickly as possible, since you have 30 days to do it. However, EU users will have 6 months to appeal the initial moderation. In other words, people who live in Europe have more time to submit their appeal. And finally, when a moderation has been reviewed, it cannot be reviewed again. In other words, once you submit an appeal, you won't be able to send another one if it isn't accepted. So make sure you're doing everything correctly. Also, double check that you're using a valid email address linked to your Roblox account in your appeal. And that's it. That's how you can submit your Roblox unban request and hopefully get your account back as fast as possible. Please subscribe and like the video if I helped you.